Jesus Christ, man down.
Did this ever need to happen?
Oh my God.
New video shows a Walmart loss prevention officer telling Marana police officers on the scene the gun this man had just stolen had a safety lock on it and couldn't be fired.
It's locked. He can't get the lock off. I'm positive. It's locked.
10 seconds later.
Okay, never mind.
The Walmart loss prevention officer, wearing shorts and sandals, listening to the radio, has his young son along for the ride.
Are we going to talk?
Police finally yell at the employee, back off. Minutes earlier, Mario Valencia, mentally unstable on a crime spree all morning, is handed a .30-30 lever-action rifle by a Walmart clerk who told police Valencia seemed normal. In the video, you can see him inspect the rifle closely, appearing to work the lever and trigger. He then turns his attention to ammunition, telling the clerk, "Don't do anything stupid, give me the ammo." The employee first resists, trying to buy time, but eventually tells police she handed over the ammunition because Valencia was threatening to break the case, and if glass got on the other boxes of ammo, they could not be sold. She also told police it's Walmart policy to give over items during a robbery. Walmart says the store clerk acted appropriately, even alerting security to call police before handing over the ammo by dialing a code brown. One 911 call makes clear the gravity of the situation. A Walmart asset protection manager tells the operator Valencia was trying to load the rifle in the store.
I have an armed customer in the sporting goods department.
Okay, is he threatening anyone?
I'm trying to find out. He's loading the weapon in the sporting goods department at the moment.
He is loading it?
A photo of the rifle stolen by Valencia shows the cable lock still on, wrapped through the lever once with enough slack that the lever could still be operated. Police said the lock appeared to be a handgun cable lock. A Walmart spokesperson insists the gun had the proper lock correctly installed in the store, and either Valencia did something to it or the force of the patrol car hitting him affected the cable lock. The Walmart loss prevention officer and his son were witness to Valencia being taken down by the patrol car.
That guy got up.
Walmart says it constantly reviews all its policies and procedures, and this incident in Marana is being discussed right now. Walmart insists that it had the right safety device on that gun and that it was installed properly when Valencia was in the store. This is a blow-up of that gun, and you can see this is the lever. If this bit stays close to the butt, it doesn't fire and it disables the gun. But everybody we talked to today, we did a lot of research on this. This cable has to loop through this lever twice and around the butt to make it inoperable.